So what we have here is the vector block system, kind of an exploded model. Got our lower vector block, our upper vector block, our gusset plate, and our setting pins. HSS columns here, HSS here. You can kind of see this is the floor ceiling assembly. Floor ceiling. In wood, this would be a lot bigger. This would have a lot bigger setting plate here. So these setting pins align the project and align the module as it comes down and sets on the vector block here. This is a cast steel place with it's then milled to precision. You can see the bolted connection here and the gusset plate. But this essentially is the Zmodular vector block system.